Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll share with you the easiest way to deposit BNB into your Metamask wallet. First, open your Metamask wallet. It doesn't matter if you use mobile or the extension. Here, I'll show you by the extension, but mobile is also the same. So open Metamask, then click here to switch your network. Scroll down until you find BNB Smart Chain, then switch to this. Here, you'll see the BNB logo. Now you're set to receive. Now here you can copy the address or you can click here to receive. Here you can scan this QR code or you can copy this address. Now go to your Binance or any other exchange or wallet. For example, here I'll transfer via Binance. So open the app, then click on assets, then select BNB, then click send and then select on-chain withdraw. Now here you can paste the address or you can scan the code here. So here I will scan the code and address is automatically selected. So here cut this Ethereum text and now you're set to go. Here in the network option you must select BNB Smart Chain, that P2NT, then enter the amount that you want to send and click withdraw, then confirm and then again confirm. Now you need to verify the process and as you can see the withdrawal is processing. Now go back to your Metamask wallet and as you can see the funds have arrived. So that's it for this video. If you found this helpful then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.